how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Okay, so to check your brake pads, you come to the wheel, of course. Just keep it straight, makes it easier. And then this is your brakes. These are your brakes. You know, this is the thing that's holding your brake pads. So wherever you see this, you kind of come in and see it right here. This thing is a brake pad. This is pretty thick, so my brakes are good. Now if you see, it's like very close to this metal right here. This thing right here, this thing is the base, and this is the brake pads, and this is your wheel rotor that's just touching to. So when this surface touches this, that's when the car starts to brake. So what you have to look for is how thin this part is. See this thing? And if it's getting too close to this metal, that tells you that your brakes are almost worn. And even if you have like this much left, you know, that's still pretty good. But if it gets too close towards the end, then that's bad. So this is an example of a good brake pad. And if you take your phone and just shove it in there, you'll see it better.